Good afternoon, my name is Faizal Andiasa. Currently, I domiciled in Semarang. Let me take you on a short journey of my professional life. My interest in technology started in 2018 when I still in high school, when I learned IoT programming with Arduino. My interest in programming led me to decide to study at the informatics department at Diponegoro University. I'm currently enrolled at the Bangkit Academy. Here, I hone my soft skill and hard skill. At Bangkit Academy, specifically, I have chosen cloud computing path with a focus on building cloud infrastructure and mastering backend development. Moving forward, my goal is to contribute as a backend development in your team, utilize my skill, and collaborate effectively on project. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little about me. I'm excited about the opportunity to join your team.